guys, and oh my god, that sounds so bad. Sorry, I've been sick the last couple of days, so excuse my voice if I sound like I'm breaking my voice. That's literally what I felt like the last couple of days. But hello, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please comment if you're loving my content, what I'm giving you, what I'm rolling with. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I would really love some feedback. Within saying that, you know, I've got some great feedback from friends, but you know, friends are friends and sometimes they're just super polite. So let me know what you think. Anyways, let's get into it. These are my March favorites. So essentially these are products that I have been loving using. You know, something I've changed in my routine personally that I love. As you'll see on my channel, I also have my favorites for makeup artists. So that's kind of what I like to, what I've been adding to my kit, or like I'm trying to start like a community there with makeup artists with their favorites, so we can all kind of share our tips and tricks and tools of the trade. But anyways, this is personal, this is all me. So if you want to see my March favorites, then please keep on watching. Okay, first, I've got about 7 things to share with you guys on my desk today. What am I gonna go with? I'm gonna go with this one first. So this is the Alpha H moisturizing facial mist, moisture boosting facial mist, sorry, with Witch Hazel. I am a sucker for a really good hydrating mist. My skin is incredibly dry combination, I'd say, and since here in Melbourne we're coming into our winter slash autumn, although I don't really know what's going on with the weather because tomorrow it's like 31 degrees, the other day it's like 17, so classic Melbourne weather. Anyways, I'm in love with this mist. I spritz it on my face I spritz this mist. Okay, I put the mist on my face in the morning and nighttime of my skincare routines after I've cleansed, so fresh out of the shower, or after I've just cleansed in the morning. And as soon as it hits my face, it stops my skin from feeling really tight, and I also feel like it helps my moisturizer that I put on after it, or a serum, an oil, or whatever it is that I do. It helps it really get into the skin and really get absorbed by the skin. So I really think this is an amazing little thing to have in your routine if you do have dry skin, or I mean, it's for all skin types, but I myself personally find it really moisture boosting, which it says it does. I got mine on Sephora for about 30 something, I think about 25 to 30 bucks. So it's not too expensive, and I feel like it'll last a while. It's 100 ml. So that is one of my top 5 favorites that I've been like loving. The next thing, I feel like this is a little bit all skincare at the moment, but this, oh my, like, okay, I love the packaging. I love the size. Like, I love a really good, okay, so first of all, let's just talk about what it is. Okay, it's called the Riche and Foamous. It's a dual-use shower and bath body wash by Soap & Glory. So you can get this at BECCA. It's really inexpensive. I think it was like $10 to $15 for this huge 500 ml. It's half a litre. It's half a litre of body wash in your shower that smells so freaking incredible. Like, it reminds me of like sugar cookies or something, but then it's got almond in it, which I don't normally like, but it says irresistible almond, oats and a brown sugar scent. See, I can't smell any of that in the scent, but to me it smells like cookies. And I know it's weird, and you'd kind of, most people go for like a fruity kind of scent, but I just love that it smells yummy. So it's also really lovely in that it's moisturizing, because I myself, like I said, I'm a dry skin, and I can get really lazy when it's cold, because I don't always moisturize after my shower, because I'm just like, oh yeah, it's too cold, I need to put my clothes on, like stuff this. So it helps when you have something in the shower that washes you as well as moisturizes and then makes you smell good. Like, what more could you want? Also, the fact that it has a pump in the top, like, I love that, because I hate having to unscrew something in the shower and you put it on your shower rack and it freaking drops and it goes everywhere, and you're doing the bend over in the shower thing and it's like a man in prison. Like, what's going on? So it's really, really good. I like that one. Let's do something more makeup, because I feel like I've just talked about skincare quite a bit. This is one of my new brushes that I've added to my personal collection, which I will also add probably to my makeup kit as well. This is the Sephora Pro Precision Smudge brush, number 29, it looks like it. I love the shape of the tip. It's really quite pointy on top, but it's also quite dense at the bottom. So it picks up a lot of product, but it also has precision to it in that you can pick up a lot of product and then smudge. So it is what I've used today to create this smoky eye look, which you can see there. It's amazing. Like, I use it for the smokiness under the eyes for myself. I use it to smoke out eyeliner. I use it to place eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I use it even to smoke the top of the lash line. And I've also used it to place highlight on the inner tear duct of the eye because it's so precise. Like, it's a precision brush. It's amazing. So I really recommend you get that. I think it's about $20 from Sephora. So you need this bad boy in your kits. It's awesome. It's very multiple usage. It's very good. The next thing that I'm loving lately is this BECCA product. So it's the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So it's got a beautiful sheen to it, which I personally love. Like, obviously not everyone loves the glossy, glowy skin look that is the trend at the moment, but personally I love it. So this stuff, you only need a little bit, and when you put it under your eyes, it's got like it's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's like kind of molds with the skin really perfectly when you put it on your under eye. So I can show you there. It is a peachy undertone, so it's great for those darker little inner corner circles of the eye. It's really great for brightening, and it does have an iridescence to it, which again reflects more light under the eye. So I actually use this after eye cream, so I let the eye cream settle and I put it on with my finger actually. I like the way that the skin melts in, the product melts in with my finger when I'm using it on myself, obviously not for my clients. And then I let it kind of settle a little bit, and then I'll put like it depends, like if I'm just doing a really low minimal makeup, I'll just use it on its own, or if I'm going to work or, you know, going out, I put another concealer on top of it, and it really brightens underneath the eye. So you could use the peach and then layer with a yellow concealer, and it really brightens the under eye area. I'm actually not wearing it today. I totally forgot to use it in my makeup for today to show you guys how it kind of looks, but I'll probably do a tutorial soon where I'm using that because I haven't done a skincare how I do my base makeup for fair skin, so you'll probably see this bad boy in it in action, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. The next beauty product that I have just been absolutely loving, I do have on today. So this is, I'm really having like a MAC phase lately. I've used MAC in my last couple of videos. I use it like in my makeup routine. I don't know, I'm just like stuck in a MAC rut, like help a sister out, like what else should I use? I don't care, actually I like MAC and this is what I'm using. So I've been using the MAC eyeliner pencil in Costa Riche, the eye Kohl pencil. It is okay, it looks like a brown eye pencil. You'll be like, why do you love this brown eye pencil so much? It's a pencil that I find has a beautiful warm tone to it. So when you put it on eyes that are, it's got a really deep, warm undertone to it. So when you put it on eyes that are brown, it really brightens the eyes. I really find it's a great contrast for anyone who has brown or green colored eyes, like warmer green eyes. It really kind of helps them pop. So of course I'll be adding this to my makeup kit, but personally and on myself, especially being a redhead and having those warmer tones like my hair color and different things, especially with this eye look today, it really helps it contrast and, like I said, makes your eyes pop and sparkle, which I think, I don't know, it just makes magic happen on brown eyes, okay? Like, it's beautiful. Trust me on that. Just get it and you'll obsess over it as well. Particularly when you put it in the waterline, like, because it's right next to your pupil color. Pop, bang, pow. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's go back to skincare. So I'd been using a rose, okay, Like, I'm not gonna lie, I had not really, how do I say this? I suck sometimes at taking care of my skin. So for me, I will just use like a Garnier cleanser that I bought at a supermarket and be like, oh, she's clean, she's washed, it's all good, makeup's off. And I'm really lucky in that, knock on wood, I don't get a lot of blemishes on my skin. But within saying that, I do notice when I get dry, I do get quite a bit of buildup in dry skin, or you know, just your general dirt and grime that you get from everyday not cleaning or looking after your skin properly type things. So I've gone into BECCA and I got myself the BADESCU Enzyme cleansing gel. So for me, this is a light enough cleanser in that it makes my skin feel clean after I've used it, but the properties that it has in it, so it's got, you know, some citrus, papaya, grapefruit, alpha hydroxy acids that help the buildup of dead skin cells that can block the pores and blemishes. So that's what I kind of needed. I need something that does erode away all that crap off the skin and then help my skin underneath breathe, because I felt like I wasn't cleaning it properly. Does that make sense? Anyways, I feel like if you are looking for a light kind of cleanser that will just do the work with a one-step process, this is your man. Mario is your man. Yeah, and I do like other things from his range. I love he has this beautiful neck cream that I loved. I had been using seaweed night cream as well. And he's all cruelty free, so for those of you out there that love a bit of cruelty free makeup, Mario BADESCU. And I love his rosehip oil, the rosehip spray. Like, oh, I've been through like 4 bottles of that. I love it. Okay, and finally, this product has changed my life. It has changed. Like, I wake up in the morning and I drink my coffee and I'm in a good mood knowing that this bad boy's in my life. It's that kind of product. So you've probably seen it kind of on some of your top makeup artists in their kits. I actually discovered it from Jenny Doe. I do like to watch her on Instagram, love her Instagram stories. Haven't quite gotten to a YouTube channel yet. I will though, Jenny, I will. I'm coming for you. But my OG YouTube girl that I absolutely love, Beauty by Rosita, she started using this as well, and that's when I knew, like, I have to get that, because she has dry skin problems, I have dry skin problems. I just feel like we're vibing on the dry skin level, and being makeup lovers and etc. The list could go on. So this Lait-Creme Concentre, it's a cream concentrate. It's by EMBRYOLISSE. I'll let you guys read, because let's just be honest. Yeah, we got that. Okay, so this stuff, okay, not only do I use this as a primer, a moisturizer, you can use it as a cleanser, you can use it as a mask, you can use it as an overnight cream. This stuff is everything. You can use it on any skin type. It's absolutely incredible. It's a multifunction nourishing moisturizer, so it classes itself as a moisturizer, makeup primer, and moisturizing mask. When you put it on, it kind of has like a white, you know, that like sunscreen, like when you go to put on sunscreen, you feel like, oh, like, is this actually going to leave my face looking this white all day? No, like within, like you blink and then all of a sudden it's seeped into your skin so beautifully, and it hydrates. I've used it as a primer today and a moisturizer. So I've put it on, I've, what have I done? My eye cream and started doing my eye makeup, and then I've just put it on in areas that I found that my skin needed a little bit more hydration in. It literally will change your life. It is amazing, particularly if you have super dry skin. And I've been using it as a daily moisturizer as well. Even if I'm not putting on makeup for the day, it just leaves my skin not feeling tight, not feeling like it needs a drink. Like, it is heaven. And I've actually bought, this is the smaller bottle, so this one is the 30 ml. I got it off Beauty Bay, and I got the bigger bottle for my makeup kit as well, because I was just like, we gonna need this. We need this for the people. The people need to hear about this cream. So you've heard about this cream, and now your life has changed and you're welcome. So I hope you guys enjoyed my March favorites. Those are the 7 or 6 whatever products that I am absolutely loving using every day, abusing using, loving. I'll pop them in my products list below so you can find links on where to buy them if you love what I've told you or if you've been interested in something that will solve a problem that you've had and I've just chatted about it, you know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great weekend, or a great start to the week, sorry, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye, see ya.